If you can't focus for more than a few minutes, you're not lazy.
Your brain is overloaded with distractions. And in the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to fix it.
Most people think they have a focus problem.
But the real problem is constant distraction.
Every notification trains your brain to switch attention.
And every attention switch drains your mental energy.
That's why multitasking feels productive, but hurts your focus.
Your brain works best when it focuses on one task at a time. Start by following the one-task rule. Choose one task and ignore everything else.
Next, remove the biggest distraction in your life.
Put your phone out of reach.
Out of sight often means out of mind.
Now use a simple 5-minute focus session. Promise yourself you'll focus for just 5 minutes.
Starting is the hardest part.
Once you begin, focus becomes easier.
Progress creates momentum.
And momentum helps you keep going.
Your environment also affects your attention.
A clean workspace reduces mental distractions.
Make it easy to focus and difficult to get distracted.
Your attention is shaped by your environment. Stop trying to do everything at once.
Focus on one thing until it's complete.
Small improvements in focus create big results over time. Try this focus method for the next 7 days.
Five minutes of focused work is enough to build the habit.
You'll notice more clarity and less stress.
Remember, focus is a skill you can train.
The more you practice, the stronger it becomes. The next time you feel distracted, start with just 5 minutes.
Don't wait for motivation to arrive. Action creates focus. And focus creates results.
Start your first 5-minute focus session today. Subscribe to Growth in Minutes for more simple, science-backed ideas to improve your life.